how are you? And hope you are doing well and have a good weekend and a good day. So today we are going to play a quick video just to make you win your other $1,000 as I promised. So the video of the day. Today's video will be a little bit blurry and not clear, and also a little bit not great. Okay, so please, sorry for the noise and extra. So please keep that in mind. But this evening we'll publish another video which makes you satisfied and clear audio and video. Okay, so let's start the matches. The matches are like this: Vallecano versus Osasuna. Osasuna will score at least one goal. Parma versus Udinese Calcio. Either Parma or Udinese will win. The other match is Lazio versus Hellas Verona. Lazio will win. And Antalya Sport versus Adana Demirspor. Antalya will win. And Bowell versus Buxton. Buxton will win or they will draw. So if you play it with at least $150, you will get $1,473.58. Take care of yourselves. See you later. Thank you.